Hey, want a quick tip for your manufacturing projects? Follow the steps in this video to see all your past due tasks and the total number of hours to go. There's a quick way to do this in standard time. That's a time tracking and project management app built for manufacturing. So, here's how to see all your past due tasks. I want to see the total number of hours for all the tasks I have to do that are past due right now. So to do that, I'm going to go over to the Project Tasks tab. I've already displayed the duration, actual work, and remaining. The remaining is the most interesting column because that shows me the total number of hours yet to do on tasks. I displayed these by going to the View menu, choosing Columns. You see them listed here on the left. I added them to the right and then put them into position. The next step is to go over to the Task Completion section and click on Past Due Tasks. That shows me all of the tasks that are past due at this time, but I still need to see a total. So I'm going to right click, choose Show Totals. So it turns out I have 2,700 hours remaining on past due tasks. I've only completed 66 hours, which is 2% of those. So this is the work that I have ahead of me right now.